Foodmet is Brussels' largest covered market for vegetables and fresh produce. Located in Anderlecht, a deprived district of the city, this building, co-financed by Europe, is based on energy efficiency. The jewel in the Foodmet's crown is the big urban farm on the roof of the building, which produces vegetables and fish at kilometre zero, using the Foodmet's heat.
The advantage for us is that we're on the roof of Foodmet, which is a food market with lots of cold rooms. These cold rooms will emit heat and we'll be able to recover this energy to heat our greenhouses and cool the water for the fish.
The Brussels abattoir market dates back to the 19th century. Over 100,000 people visit the open-air market every weekend. Since 2015, this listed site has boasted a covered market with around 40 stalls selling everything, and even an urban farm on its roof, run by a private company. The Foodmet is based on a sustainable energy system and has attracted the interest of experts from all over the world.
It has so many advantages. I'm talking about employment, I'm talking about biodiversity, I'm talking about capturing rain and city water, making rooftops more attractive from an urban perspective with farms. And so if this is to be copied in other cities, we need to see the private investment, but also the importance of public subsidies.
The total budget for the Foodmet is €18 million, of which €6 million comes from the European cohesion policy, plus a further €1.4 million to reinforce the roof and terraces. The Brussels capital region also contributed €7.4 million. The pilot farm has been operating on part of the roof since 2018. It produces 200,000 pots of basil and other aromatic herbs and 20 tonnes of salmon trout a year, using the aquaponics technique. The water and trout excrement are filtered and used to grow the vegetables.
As we're in a closed circuit, the water will circulate again in the system, and so only part of it will be sent to the plants for their needs.
Products from the pilot farm supply supermarkets and restaurants within a 20-kilometre radius. This restaurateur comes here to pick up fresh trout that will be served this evening in his restaurant nearby.
We come here to get the fish that ends up on the customer's plate in the evening. We're 300 to 400 metres away as the crow flies. So this is a salmon trout fillet roasted on a squid ink risotto.
The Foodmet with its urban farm has been identified as one of the best European projects of the last 15 years at the Regio Stars Awards.